Hello, good evening. We're going to be doing a bit of a chill start to the stream tonight. I'm going to just be doing some chatting and changing my keycaps.
Where have you been, bitch?
I've been working.
Where have you bloody been?
And stuffing my face.
What time is it?
Stuffing my face with dinner. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. I'm happy now that I don't have to work and I get to finally do this. So I ordered these like about 2 months ago because they were out of stock. So they're the Arctic White keycaps. The box is deceiving. They're not black. They're white. We're replacing the black keys with white keys because it's going to match my white mouse and my white PC. I'm changing everything to white. Oh, there's all different little sections. Look, they all come in little sections. There's 3 different like packs. Oh, what's that? 3. Oh, there's no... 3 little packs. That's kind of handy. What do we get in the box? We get the little rubbers too. And apparently we get like a little key remover thing. So we got a baggie of the little like O-rings. If you can see that. Hello, camera. Little O-rings for the keys. Where's the key? Oh, it's in there. Warranty guide. Do we really need warranty on keys? They're just bits of plastic. I don't think we need that. That can go in the bin. So pull the keys off and you have an option to put the O-rings on. I love the instruction manual. It literally just says pull them off. Pull them off with the key. Put the O-ring if you want, it's optional, and then push down. Very simple stuff. What's the O-ring supposed to do? That is a very good question. I think it's meant to make it a little bit more silent. Maybe we can try some with the O-rings and see if it makes much of a difference. We stand the matchy. Thank you. Me too. I like... Oh, I didn't show you either. I changed my stream deck. My stream deck's got a little white skin on it now too. It's actually really cool. It's carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys can see that. But it's like a white carbon fiber like sticker that goes on it. But it's really high quality. So everything is slowly changing to white. Now, the trick is going to be, I hope it doesn't get too dirty, because then that's going to be depressing. But I'm generally a pretty clean person. Let's get into this. Ooh. I just unclicked the thing and all the keys went flying. That's not great. That's not great. Now we're going to have to figure it all out. Now I've got to find them because I knocked them all over. Oh my god. Where's the escape key now? It's like a puzzle. Not this. Not this. Why did that happen? Wait, am I on the right one? No, I'm not even on the right one. I'm starting on the far side, apparently. I should probably open a Word document so when I'm clicking keys, it doesn't do anything. Do I put these O-rings on? Do you think? I'm loving the white already. The white looks sick! Alright, hold on, chat. I gotta try and sort my life out. Hold on. Alright, so this is the white key. I just want to see how clicky it sounds. Oh. Is that on? Is this thing on? Wait, has this got... This needs 3 O-rings. Is that even gonna be plausible? The O-rings are gonna take the long time. Alright, let's see if these O-rings make a difference. It makes it a little bit more squishy. Getting them off is the hard part though. Oh, I can't lose any of these. And now... I wonder why they don't come stock standard with the O-rings on, to be honest. That's quite interesting. This one looks a little bit wonky. Why is it like that? Is it meant to be like that? Or did they break? I'm so confused. Oh, well, I'm not even using that one, so what am I doing? Does the plus go up or down? I don't know. I think it goes up. It goes up. Guys, this is gonna take forever. I feel like. Period. I think the bigger keys take a little bit longer. I was talking about this plus button here. I didn't know where the symbol went up or down. I didn't have a clue. It's hot in here. It was a 32 degree day here in Perth today, and now it's actually warm. I've got to put me fan on. All right, what are we doing next? We're doing the star button next.
Jelly beans! Oh, yeah.
Thank you for the bean boozled. I appreciate you. I haven't done one of these in a while. Let's see what we get. What we got today? Oh, we got a good one. We got the blueberry and toothpaste, the blue one.
Good luck. and don't fuck it up.
I like toothpaste, so it is toothpaste. It's minty fresh. It tastes like mouthwash. See, I like that. There's nothing wrong with that. That's meant to be the bad flavor, the toothpaste. I actually like it. It actually tastes really good. I actually think I like it better than the blueberry. How fucked up is that? Bye, Felicia, down the hatch. You know it. How are we liking the white? Is the white looking good? Are you enjoying? Oh, that one didn't really come off. This one's kind of stuck. These ones have 3. Do you reckon they gave me enough O-rings for all of them? I probably highly doubt it. I should probably be cleaning this as I go, but YOLO. Ain't nobody got time for that. Where is my numlock button? Is that the right key? Oh, fuck. Now I don't know what I'm doing. I think I fucked up. What key is that? Uh-oh. I'm so confused. Ugh, I mixed them up. I don't know what I'm doing. I think you're right with that, Tifa. Thanks. I don't know what I've done here with these keys. I'm gonna have to try and figure out these ones. There's fucking cat hair everywhere in these keys, though.
Welcome to the gun show.
You want some gun show action? You mean these little old things? Hold on, I'll put this key in and I will deliver. Hold on. All right. That's all you're getting. That's as good as it's gonna get. That's good enough. They're very white. We need some more sun. Go outside and touch the sun. That's the thing. I touch a lot of sun, but it's just this part of my arm. The upper part, because I'm always wearing shirts at work. So I'm getting very white bicep sections of my arm. But summer's coming, and then I'm going to get sunburnt because I don't wear sunscreen.
Hi there.
Guys, we've nearly done this side of the keyboard. It's nearly done. Next minute, the numpad's the wrong way around. No, it's all good, guys. It's all good. I'm following the instructions. So for anyone interested, I'm currently using the, my keyboard is a Corsair K70 Pro, I think. And the new keycaps I'm putting on are still Corsair. They're the PBT Double Shot Pro in the Arctic white color. And they actually come in like heaps of different colors. So if you have a Corsair keyboard and you want to change your keys, you can do it. They've got like a mint green color, a pink, a red, and then obviously black and white and a blue, I think, if I remember correctly. All right, we've done one container. One packet's done. Now we put the black keys in the archive. We're slowly seeing a transformation of the keyboard. Now that I'm opening this one, I'm going to try and not make the keys fly everywhere. Look, chat, I learned from my mistakes. These long keys are fucking annoying. Because we all know that Tifa is a professional streamer. And I clearly know what I'm doing. What are we up to? Number 9. I am loving this white, by the way. It's making me excited. Is Shazza gone? Chat, you can misbehave now. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. The dishes need to be cleaned. Oh. Just what I wanted to hear. I have a washing basket full of soiled clothes that need cleaning. Ooh. I just got new dishwashing detergent. Ooh. Make it stop. I am living for these white keys, chat. You have no idea. Unbooking brunch if you don't stop. What? Stop talking about things that are dirty? Or stop doing keycaps? You're like both. Streaming in general. How dare. How dare. That was fucking loud. That nearly blew my eardrums off. Holy shit. I'm just lurking. Nice finding a spot where I feel safe. Oh, I'm glad that you feel safe here. Actually, Huntress, we're all unsafe here. It's a lie. No, I'm just kidding. Guys, we're over halfway done on the keyboard. It's nearly done. It's only taken me an hour. There's a reason why I did this on stream. It's so I could talk and do fun things while I was doing it. Otherwise, I'd just be sitting here like a miserable git doing this all by myself in a dark room. So I thought, why should I suffer on my own in peace when I can make you all suffer with me? If I have to suffer, you should all have to suffer and bear witness to this monotonous task that I'm doing. It's content. Everything is content, chat. Even if it is boring as I'm sorry. I apologize. Oh, chat, I don't know what to do. I need a decision. So we have two options. I've got this really nice, I don't know if you can see it. See how it's got the texture on there? I really like the textured black space bar. Or do I swap it to the plain white one that's got no texture on it? Do I keep the black one and make it like a pop feature? Keep the black for the pop of color. You like the black? Does everyone like the black? Half and half? Yeah, you like the black? All right, we're going to keep the black one. I'll put the rubber rings on it though.
Throwing flashbang.
Oh, eat it. I'll eat that flashbang. That's my dessert. All right, the black space bar is back on. We've done section B. Section B is done minus the white space bar because we're not using it. That control button is smaller than the other one. Maybe the white space bar. All right, Mike, how about I do the other keys and then we decide if we're going to put the white one on or not. I just really like the black texture on this one because my WSD keys, they're gray, right? So hold on, let's have a look. So the WSD keys, they're textured as well. And they've got, they're gray in color where the rest are black. So that's the black keyboard and these are all the white ones. Are you all liking the white keys? Do you love them? I actually really like them. It makes the actual RGB lights behind them pop even more if you ask me. The black kind of dims the RGB down a little bit, but the white is really popping. I am loving it. All right, what are we up to? We're up to the last packet. Oh, I hope these keys fit because this is also a different key. Please fit. Uh-oh. 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 I don't think I can change these ones. These ones don't fit. They're different sizes. I might have to put the originals back on. Because I've got an extra key here. Surely there's another. I don't think so. So this is my problem, okay? So this is the new key for the menu button. Hold on. So that's that size. And then that's the old size. It's half that. So now it doesn't fit the spot. I might have to revisit that and come back to it. There should be another set of smaller size keys. I don't think so. There isn't any. That's really weird considering they say that this keyboard is compatible. You think they would give you all the keys that you need? Check your compatibility. Because if it says it's compatible and they don't give you the keys, that's f***ed up. K70 RGB. RGB make 2. That's what my keyboard is. Double shot keycap kit. That's what I've got. Isn't it? Oh. Oh, I f***ed up. I f***ed up, chat. I ordered the wrong box. And now, ooh, looks like we're having some black keys. And this is why you always keep your receipts. Classic differ. Uh-oh. Let's see if it's actually my f*** up or if it's their f*** up. Because I didn't realize that there was 2 sets of keys. Yeah, no, I ordered the wrong ones. Fuck! I ordered the wrong ones. It's okay. It's not a biggie. It's not a biggie. So look. The box I should have ordered says PBT double shot keycaps. This is the PBT Double Shot Pro keycaps. So the only word that is different is the pro word. And in fairness, it says that the K70 keyboard is compatible, but mine's a Key70 Make 2. Simple mistake. Happens. We're having some black keys, and that is a-okay. I will survive. Think of it as pop color. Big whiff. You're committed now, no going back. Well, I've got no leg to stand on. If they gave me the wrong box, then yes, but I've ordered the wrong thing, so it's my own fault. I will accept defeat when it's my fault. If I'm in the right, then, you know, I will fight to the death. But in this case, I'm gonna lie in the bed that I've made. It is what it is. Want to play a game? Would you like 100 bits, or would you like me to pass them on to another streamer or double them? Pass them on to another streamer and double them. Absolutely. Take the bits after the keyboard fiasco. Space Turds, on the condition that when you go to double them and give them to another streamer, when you tell them the same thing, you say, Tifa would like to pass on the message that you should always read the fine print and make sure you're ordering the right thing. Give them some life advice when you're also giving the bits, you know? I want people to learn from my mistakes, you know? The bits come with some advice. Make sure the box that you're ordering does not have any extra words in it and it's the right compatibility for your item. Otherwise, you will end up in this predicament, and we don't want that. We don't want anyone else to experience the turmoil that I am currently experiencing. And let's be honest, the turmoil actually isn't that bad. Purely a cosmetic upgrade, chat. Cosmetic only. It's not going to make my gameplay any better. Let's be honest. It's purely to give me some satisfaction of looking at my keyboard. Because to be honest, this is probably the first time in all of my time streaming that you've actually seen my keyboard. So it actually does not affect you. It only affects me. And my OCD is now forever going to be on level 365 because I now will have not matching keys. And that is a-okay. And the best part is that we're almost done. See, Mike, I might have to keep the black space bar now just so it ties in all the other black buttons that I can't change. See, even this control button's not the same size. That's mate. But it still goes on. That's the important thing. But this Windows key is too big. Why did they make these Windows keys so big for? So stupid. Who wants a big Windows key? I think the Windows keys will have to be black. I don't think I can change them. We're almost done. I just think white looks so fresh and funky. Black looks better. F off. Now, chat, do I keep the grey textured WSD A keys or do I change them to white? You want me to keep the grey ones? All right, let me change this last Alt button. All right, let's have a look. So we've got the grey WASD keys there. We've got a black Windows button here. We've got a black space bar, and then we've got a black Windows key and a black menu key. Even though I have a menu key and a Windows key, but they're too big. They won't fit. It's a bit of a Frankenstein keyboard. All white except WASD keys. All right. Q and E should be black. Ew, no. What f***ing planet are you on? Who the hell does that? Is that a thing? Do people do that? The black space bar sits really weird, actually. So we're gonna change this. Will the white space bar look okay? I hope so. Let's have a look. I think it will, you know. Wait, does this space bar even fit? Hello? Is this space bar the right size? I think it's just because it's a big key. It's hard to get on. How in the f***? Here comes another clip. It is the right size though, right? Hold on, let me have a look. Is that the right size? Mother. Hey chat, do these look the same size to you?
Honey! 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 Ah!
Do they look the same size to you? Bruh, why they do this to me? I can't put my finger on it. This was meant to be a fun, exciting experience. And now it's turned into this. Oh, I'm disappointed now. It's been fun for you. Well, I'm glad you're having a fun time. Fuck off. And more importantly, I think the white actually would have looked better. Like, let's be honest. Look how ambiguous the box is. It's because all the flashbangs cooked my eyeballs. And now I can't read. Oh my god. Aren't you glad I did this on stream now? Content. You're welcome. Oh well, black spacebar it is. No ifs or buts about it. I'll be honest, it's been great. Well, I'm glad you all enjoyed my pain and suffering. You're welcome. It only cost me $49 worth of the wrong keycaps. That's actually quite a forgiving stream title, to be honest. I thought you were going to make it something a bit more horrible. Like, streamer cannot read the fine print. Streamer wastes all of his money ordering the wrong shit for his stream. All right, so it's a black space bar. That's what we're dealing with. To be honest, I don't stream for the money anyway. I stream to provide you with very terrible content, as you're well aware. I don't do this for money, chat. I do this to provide you entertainment. You're welcome. It's free. You don't have to subscribe. You don't have to give bits. You don't have to donate. This is live, free, miserable, painstaking content. I'm very, very well. Well, I was well until I realized I ordered the wrong keycaps. Stupid Tiffer. But are we happy with the finished product? Are we happy with the white keys? It still looks pretty. I think so too. I'm pretty happy with it. It gives it the pop of white that I wanted. Only I have to look at the Frankenstein keyboard that makes no sense. Well, thank you very much for coming to my my keyboard TED Talk and my absolute fail of a keycap changing session. You're welcome. Enjoy the free content. I'm glad you had a great time. We're going to be playing some Overwatch now after that absolute disaster. And guess what? I'm going to keep the box as a reminder, as a constant reminder to always make sure you're ordering the right product. I will cherish this box forever. It's always going to remind me of the mistakes I made in life.